Thank you for joining me. My name is Leslie Cruz Kelly, and I'm with Rain Home powered by Vroom Real Estate, and I'm really excited to show you today my newest listing. This is 515 Canyon Oaks Drive in Oakland, Unit F. Come check it out. So what did you guys think? It's a sweet spot. If you or anyone that you know is interested in buying in the Oakland area, have them reach out to me. My contact info is below. I'm really happy to be of service to you. Talk to you later.